Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to email or send a Google Doc via email. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by selecting the View tab up in the top left. And you want to select the email option. And then you can select email this file. Go ahead and select that. At this point, you can check mark where it says send yourself a copy, insert the to address field here of who you want it to go to, and then you can type in a subject message, and you can also opt to send the document as actually embedded within the email and not an attachment by check marking that option. However, most people probably would prefer an attachment, so then you just can select the file type here. So you can do a PDF, Microsoft Word document, plain text, HTML, open text, or just a rich text document. So very versatile options here. And then you just would select send, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.